To customize Phantom Wallet and create a wallet, start by going to the Phantom website and clicking on the Add to Browser button. Then follow the prompts to install the Phantom extension. Once installed, click on the Phantom icon in your browser toolbar and select Create New Wallet. You will be asked to create a password and confirm it. Make sure to choose a strong and unique password and store it in a safe place. Next, you will be given a recovery phrase. This is a list of words that can be used to restore your wallet if you lose access to it. Make sure to store it in a safe place. After setting up your password and recovery phrase, you will be taken to the Phantom dashboard. Here you can customize your wallet by adding a name and description. You can also add a profile picture and customize the appearance of your wallet. To add a new account, click on the Add Account button and follow the prompts. You can add multiple accounts to your wallet, each with its own unique address. To customize the settings of your wallet, click on the Settings icon. Here you can adjust the gas price, transaction speed, and other advanced settings. Make sure to understand what each setting does before making any changes. It is also important to keep your wallet and browser up to date, as this will ensure you have the latest security patches and features. Best practices for customizing Phantom Wallet include using a strong and unique password, storing your recovery phrase in a safe place, and keeping your wallet and browser up to date. It is also important to be careful when making transactions and to double-check the address and amount before confirming. By following these steps and best practices, you can customize Phantom Wallet and create a secure and functional wallet.